Anthropic just announced that anything generated by Claude, whether it is text, image, code, is now going to have watermarks. What are these watermarks going to tell? They will tell whether the piece of content is AI generated or AI assisted kind of information. Because European Union requires AI processed content to declare transparently, like we have paid partnership declaration on Instagram, right? Something similar. Now, in case of image and video, I understand, but how will they do it in case of text? They cannot stamp anything on the text, right? So their genius idea is to have some sort of patterns within the text itself to give this kind of information. Now, come to think of it, one more thing that is mentioned in Claude's documentation is that if that text undergoes heavy editing from humans, I don't know if someone would like to use another tool to do that editing, but yeah, anyway, if that passage of text undergoes heavy editing and does not match AI's writing pattern, because AI has that consistent way of writing. As humans, naturally, we don't think in patterns. Sometimes we might get a big idea. Sometimes we might struggle to put the different ideas together, or sometimes we might just blurt it out and stuff like that. Okay. So that ways, it's more like a humanizer thing. And for that also, the tools are available in the market. So what do I think of this, whether it is a good news or bad news, as someone who is heading the content marketing agency for B2B SaaS? To me, it's a good news because we had been following this thing that we are not just automating the content production, we are not auto-generating blogs. We ensure to add many forms of non-generic elements like lived experiences, gained results, or client conversations, or anything like videos which are something like this. This is not something AI can do, kind of things in our content. Second, AI has this common thing which is called patterns. Whatever it writes, it follows a similar pattern throughout. So as humans, it's not natural for us to have patterns like those. So when we are editing that text, we can ensure that it doesn't look like AI edited text, right? So good things ahead. The world is trying to save people from AI slop. And I feel this adds positive brand perception around Anthropic. See you in the next one.